Hey guys, He's Country Slots here. I just wanted to share some information in an email I just received here from Gila River Hotels and Casinos in Phoenix, Arizona that I received this afternoon. Today is Thursday, June 18th. It's about 4:40 p.m. Just received this a little while ago. It says, "Dear Eric, to protect the safety and health of one and all, Gila River Gaming Enterprise will again temporarily close the Gila River Hotels and Casinos, which are Wild Horse Pass, Lone Butte, and Quiva, to reassess its current safety standards. The decision came after a careful evaluation of the growing enterprise's current safety plan with the Gila River Indian community and feedback from its community and team members. The closure will be effective for all three properties beginning at 2 a.m. on June 18th, and it will be in effect for 2 weeks. The enterprise will use this closure to see whether the recent rise in Arizona COVID cases subsides and to re-examine every aspect of its operation. This includes disinfection procedures, social distancing measures, health checks, testing protocols, masking, and how best to protect workers and everyone who visits its properties. During this closure, all team members will continue to be paid in full and receive full health benefits. Nothing is more important to our community than the well-being of our team members and guests, children, elders, and families," said Gila River Indian Community Governor Stephen Rowe Lewis. "Like our sister tribes and businesses all over Arizona, we have tried to do what is best for all while processing new information and new guidelines about the pandemic with little in the way of definitive guidance. Throughout the closure, Gila River Hotels and Casinos will continue to monitor updates from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, and the Arizona Department of Health and Services, and will update its safety protocols and procedures as necessary. Please click the link below for more information. This page is updated frequently as new information becomes available." So I will just say, I visited Gila River Casinos. That's normally where I play, particularly Lone Butte Casino. I was there on reopening day. They do not enforce mask wearing at all. They do allow smoking. Some of the slot machines have the ones next to it open, but they have the plastic dividers between them, and other ones have every other slot machine turned off. They did not do any health check upon entering the facility. They did not check temperatures. They did not ask questions, nothing. They supposedly counted and kept the occupancy at 50% of maximum, which I don't believe is accurate, because the couple of times I was there, there were multiple times where people were standing several deep waiting for an open slot machine. And again, these people did not have masks on. They were smoking, drinking, eating. The restaurants were open. They don't have a buffet at Lone Butte, but the restaurants were open, so people were eating, drinking, smoking. There really was no control that I saw. And in the news a few days ago, it was reported that one of their security guards contracted COVID-19 and passed away. The family was interviewed on TV, and they said that they were worried about that family member when they reopened. They didn't think it was safe to reopen. And he had mentioned that there were really no safety protocols, and he did not feel secure. They told him he was going to work driving a golf cart around the property, and he ended up being staged at one of the doors, one of the entrance doors, so he was in close contact with people coming in and out. I'm not sure if that had anything to do with it or not, but I have visited other casinos in Phoenix, particularly Talking Stick Casino Resort, where they do perform health checks when you come in. So you are greeted by staff. You are walked up to a display monitor that reads your temperature and does a facial scan and makes sure that you are not displaying abnormal temperatures or anything. And they give you a mask if you do not have one. You must wear a mask while you're on their property at all times. They do not allow smoking currently. Hopefully that stays that way. So they do control their occupancy rate. I did not feel that it was crowded. There were not people hovering over me waiting for me to get up to use that machine or waiting for an open machine. It just felt a lot more regulated. And I know the other casino here in Phoenix, which is Desert Diamond West Valley, they actually close every night and do a deep cleaning of the property that takes several hours. I'm not sure if Talking Stick does that or not. I have not been there overnight, where they may have closed, but I know Desert Diamond does. So Gila River really has not done anything, in my view, to facilitate cleanliness, to prevent the spread of COVID-19, to protect their employees or their guests. So I don't think I'll be going back there anytime soon. And I will attach the video after this one to show you the walkthrough on opening day, just kind of how they have things and how many people were there. You can see people without masks walking around, and how that was. And let me know your thoughts, what you think. Do you think we're heading back to everything closing again? Do you feel safe? Are you visiting the casinos? Where are you? Let me know in the comments. Hey guys, Heath Country Slots here. If you're watching the video of me reading the updated information on Gila River Hotels and Casinos about how they've now closed again to reevaluate the situation here in Phoenix, Arizona about COVID, what you're looking at now is a video that I took on reopening day back on May 15th. Today is June 18th, and they've announced that effective immediately, they are closed again for another 2 weeks because of the surge in cases here in the Phoenix area and in the state of Arizona. They've had one of their employees contract the virus and passed away the other day, so they have closed their doors again at all 3 of their casinos. This is Lone Butte Casino, walking through on opening day on June 15th. So let me know in the comments what you think. Are you going to the casinos, and where are you, and what are your thoughts?